Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna tell you 7 most important lessons you must know to be successful in your life. Consistency is key. Look, there are no shortcuts to building a killer business and making money. If you wanted to be successful, you must embrace the boredom of consistency. Small daily improvements are the key to staggering long-term success. Learn to network. Building relationship and networking can open doors for you that degree alone cannot. You wanted to be rubbing shoulders with people who can help you level up, and at the end of the day, your network is your net worth. Invest in yourself. Everyone looks at the cost of book or online courses, but nobody consider the cost of being in the same place 1 year from now. So if you want to invest in something with minimum risk and guaranteed big returns, invest in yourself. The purest way to achieve a better quality life and be successful, productive and satisfied is to place a priority on investing in both personal and professional growth. The effort you put into constantly investing in yourself play a large role in determining the quality of your life now and in future. So don't ever forget to invest in yourself. How to build passive income. Use your 9 to 5 income to fuel your side hustle. Use your side hustle to fuel your investment, and use your investment to replace your 9 to 5. Because the ultimate goal is to make your money work for you. In the theory, all of your income sources carry similar weight, but when it comes to achieving financial freedom, passive income leaves active income in the dust. Because active income is the money generated from all those efforts you are currently making, and you need to keep working in order to continue earning an income. If you quit, you don't get paid. And passive income is something that doesn't require you to work actively, and money continue to flow in for years and years. So if you're looking to design a dream life where you are financially free, it might be better for you to focus on your passive income. Multiple streams of income is the new security. They never taught me this in school. I had to learn this online instead. But multiple income sources should be your long-term goal. Never depend on single income. Make investment to create second source. Having multiple streams of income means that person is receiving income from several residual streams at once. There are a plethora of options available out there to generate passive income, like stock, dividends, affiliate marketing. Don't go broke trying to look rich. From young age, start investing your money in online business and other investment tools, while your friends blowing their money on bottle service at club and financing brand new car. Be wise with your money. There is no point spending all money to put up a front. I've seen lots of people out there go into debt so that they can have better clothes, branded car and the latest phone, to look rich in front of people you probably hate. So take care of bank account first and then spend. Embrace the hustle. Take your goals super serious. Lock yourself in room and just focus on your goal. Your primary goal to get money, because you could always party later. Good things happens to those who hustle. Your entire life can be summed up in 4 words. I hustled, I conquered. You must either modify your dreams or modify your skills. What you lack in talent can be made up with desire, hustle, and giving 100% all the time. Because hustle beats talent when talent doesn't hustle. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to this channel.